Alright, I am on the topmost sphere of the Atomium. For obvious reasons, I'm gonna call these different circular things spheres and not balls. I feel like I'm in a disco. Today I'm exploring Brussels, Belgium, and I am under this structure called Atomium, which you can see behind me. It's basically a structure of 9 different spheres called atoms. The connections that you see between each of the spheres is actually an escalator which allows you to go in between 2 different spheres. So it's quite cool. Alright, I got the tickets to go inside the Atomium and I'm gonna go in now. It's about 16 euros. So let's go in. Alright, I'm on the topmost floor of the Atomium, from where you can see all of Brussels. Alright, so once you get to the top, you can go to each of these different spheres and explore by yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go check out the view from the other side. This is the best view. It's a football ground. There's the Brussels tram. Let's go to the other side. This is a good view of the mini Europe. Unfortunately, it closes at 5 and I couldn't go there, but I think I've seen a lot of mini Europe myself. And that appears to be a football stadium. So there is an expo on level 1, so let's go check it out. Conceptual design of the Atomium. Being a civil engineer, I find it pretty cool to watch drawings like these with all the minute details that you wouldn't really pay attention to if you aren't a civil engineer. It's a replica. Definitely not going to the exit. To floor 2. The arrow of civil engineering. Interesting. This bridge is supported by cables. These tiny black cables. That's why, whenever you hear the term suspension bridge, that's what it means. It's suspended because of these cables. Let's go to level 3. This is a cool escalator with cool lighting. I feel like I'm in a disco. really cool. Alright, this is level 5. Oh, I want to get a photo like this. Wow. Alright, here's some information. 9 spheres. So this is where we are. There's permanent and temporary expos on each levels. Right, we're heading to level 6 now. Alright, so we are on level 6 and there's an exhibition called View from My Window. It's actually about a city from India, Bangalore. Let's see. Well, that's an incorrect spelling, but whatever. There's Times Square.
En janvier, nous vivions à Rouen. Nous n'avions pas le moindre idée de la façon dont notre monde et notre vie étaient sur le point de changer radicalement.
Oh, I like that. I would like to wake up to 5 cats through my window. That's a cool view from the window.
Notre appartement passe à peu près de Belgium. Mais je me dis qu'on a vraiment la chance de pouvoir voyager au-delà de notre sol et observer la vie qui se déroule dans la rue, devant nous et de tous les auteurs. Paris, c'est
This is the view from one of the windows inside. Yes, of course. That's about it.
Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.